Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to match two tables, and I want to display the data source of each table in a third column. For example, I have a table A with item and count A, B, C, D and values, okay, and table B item and count X, Y, Z, W and values. So I want to match these two tables, okay, append. I want to append B to the table A, and I want to display the data source in third column here. That means this should be displayed as a table A here, okay, and for this one here it should be displayed as a table B, okay. So it is very useful when you have a large tables and you want to know from where data is coming. So data source you can display as a third column, okay. So we can do this in a Power Query M language. So take a blank query here, okay. Then go to advanced editor, then remove this, and we want to match two tables, right? So use the table dot combine, okay. So table dot combine, what it does, tables as a list. So list returns a table that is a result of merging list of tables, okay. So tables as a list we have to supply. So take a list here. So my first table will be table A, right? So for table A, I want to add a third column, okay. So table dot add column, okay. So my table is table A, okay, and new column as a test. What is a new column? Let's say it is a data dot source, okay. Then column generator as a function. So how will be each row? Each row will be table A, okay. So this is one table I got in a list, okay. So same thing we have to add for table B, okay. That is the second element of the list, okay. Then it will combine those two tables, okay. Add table B, data source each table B, okay. So now these two tables it will match and it will give a new table, okay. So let's see that. So like this you will get. So here the data source is displayed for table A as a table A, okay. For data source for table B will be displayed as a table B here. So it is very useful when you are merging large number of tables and you want to display the data source. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Power Query videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.